In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Pipedrive. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or just want to refresh your profile with a new image, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, navigate to your Pipedrive homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get to the home screen. This is where you'll start off, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It's a small circle, usually with your current profile picture or initials in it. Go ahead and click on that icon to proceed. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this list, you'll want to select the Personal Preferences option. This is where you can make a variety of changes and customizations to your Pipedrive account, including, of course, updating your profile picture. Now that you're in the Personal Preferences section, look out for the option that says Choose Picture. This is your gateway to uploading a new photo. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to navigate to your device's storage. Here's an important tip. Before you begin, make sure the photo you want to upload is ready and accessible on your device. This can save time and ensure a smooth process. In the dialog box, browse your files to locate the image you wish to use. Once you've found it, click on the image to select it and then hit the Open button. This will upload your chosen picture to Pipedrive and showcase it as the new profile image. We're almost finished. After the image uploads, take a moment to preview it, ensuring it's exactly how you want it to appear on your profile. If everything looks good, there's just one more step. Click on the Save button to finalize the changes you've made. This action confirms the update and saves your new profile picture to your Pipedrive account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture in Pipedrive. Remember, this process can be repeated anytime you feel the need to update your image. Just revisit these steps and you'll have a new picture in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.